Ever wondered how your favorite mangoes make it from the orchard to your table? Well, it all starts in the tropical regions of South Asia and Southeast Asia, where mango trees thrive in the warm climates. From the moment a mango seed is planted, a delicate process begins. The seed sprouts and grows into a tree, with each stage requiring specific care and attention. The ideal climate for mango cultivation is a warm tropical environment, and the soil should be deep and rich, perfect for the mango tree's extensive root system. But not all mangoes are created equal. There are over 1,000 different varieties of mangoes, each with their unique characteristics. Some are sweet, some are tangy, others are a delightful mix of both. From the small, fiberless Alfonso to the large, juicy Keet, each variety has its own distinct flavor and texture. So next time you bite into a juicy mango, remember it all started in a tropical orchard far away. From a tiny seed to a full-grown tree, the journey of a mango is a fascinating one, but how does that succulent fruit end up in your hand? Let's step into the world of mango harvesting. It's a meticulous process that starts when the mangoes are still green. Why green, you ask? Well, mangoes are unique in that they continue to ripen even after they're plucked from the tree. So picking them green allows for a controlled ripening process, ensuring we get that perfect juicy mango every time. Now, timing is everything in this process. Harvest too early and the mangoes won't ripen correctly. Wait too long and they might overripe on the tree. It's a delicate balance that requires careful planning and execution. And of course, the harvest itself is a hands-on task. Mangoes are hand-picked from the trees, a tradition that has been preserved to protect the fruit from bruising or damage. Harvesting is a delicate process, one that requires careful planning and execution to ensure that every mango reaches you in perfect ripe condition. So the mangoes have been harvested, but how do they get from the orchards to your local grocery store or market? Once they're harvested, the mangoes are carefully sorted based on their size and ripeness. They're then gently packed into crates to avoid damaging their tender flesh. From the orchards, these crates are transported to facilities where they're stored and ripened. The ripening process is fascinating. It's done using a natural plant hormone called ethylene, which triggers the softening and sweetening of the fruit. After ripening, the mangoes are ready for distribution. They're loaded onto trucks, boats, and even planes destined for different parts of the world. It's a race against time, as the mangoes need to reach the stores while they're still fresh and juicy. Throughout this journey, the mangoes are kept at optimal temperatures, ensuring they arrive at your local grocery store in perfect, mouth-watering condition. The next time you pick up a mango from your local grocery store, think about the journey it's been on to get to you. It's been a fascinating journey, hasn't it? From its humble beginnings in a tropical orchard to your dining table, each mango has a story to tell. It starts with a seed, nurtured by farmers in sun-drenched orchards. Through a careful cultivation process, this seed grows into a tree bearing the luscious fruits we adore. Once ripe, these mangoes are hand-picked with utmost care. The journey continues as they are sorted, packed, and transported, maintaining their freshness and flavor. They voyage across towns, cities, and sometimes even continents before reaching your local grocery store. It's the hard work and dedication of countless people that brings this delicious fruit to your table. So the next time you enjoy a juicy mango, take a moment to appreciate the journey it's been on. And remember, every bite is a celebration of nature's bounty. Stay tuned for more exciting food journeys with healthy education. And until then, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep tasting the world around you. Thank you for joining us on this mango adventure.